guys, so ito pala pupunta tayo sa McDonald's Kabuyabayan at in-invite tayo ni Leonis sa kanyang 18th birthday. Pakit pa dyan eh. Nagpapakit eh. Fast forward guys, nasa Macdo na nga pa kami. Ay, ako pala. Transition guys, let's go.
Let's raise our cups, begin our fries, and make this a celebration to remember. Now, sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan ang ating Bravo Park. Once again, happy 18th birthday, Leonis Harris.
Okay, number 1, Roy. Wait. Number 2 ba? Number 2, wait. Number 3, Pati Lisa po daw, Pati Lisa. Wait. Number 4. Huwag kalimutan mag-wait.
Okay, ulit po tayo. Hindi po tayo nag-wave. 2, 1. Go! Number 1. Okay, comment number 2. And then wave. Okay, number 3. Okay. Oh, wave. Ayan. Okay, number 4. Wave. Okay, number 5. Comment din number 4. Wave. Okay, balik po tayo, balik. Okay, number 5, putungin niyo logo. Number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. Ayan, panalo na po ang ating boys. Happy birthday. You're not totally close, but I hope you will continue to pursue your dreams and passion
You have so much potential, and I know that you will achieve great things in life. May all your wishes come true, and may this year be even more amazing than the last. Happy birthday.
Okay, lahat po ng Next naman po, Sir Jason. Okay, sabay-sabay po tayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Okay, isa po po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, isa pa po yung acapella at yung mas malakas at mas energetic. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, now, Leonis, make a wish and blow your candle. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang message ni Mami para sa'yo.
Ay, wala.
Huwag nagpasawan. Huwag na puro ML.
Ah, nag-ML
Huwag na
din.
puro CP. Huwag nang abasting sana ng madaling ating gawin. Happy birthday, I love you. Okay, pwede na po tayo umupo. Then sit back and relax. Then
Wala rin po. Kulay pula, hindi po. Kakasabi lang ko kanina, purple po. Purple? Yes. Okay, so ayan, hindi po na mawala yan. Simple as. Kaya pa, give some round of applause. Remix! Ayan pa, yung mga gusto kong magpa-picture, ready na lang ng mga camera. So, may hinanda po si Remix na sayaw.
Yo, what's up guys? So, thank you sa panonood. And this is Angelo Vlogs again. Happy birthday, Leonis. Thanks for inviting me. Goodbye and see you in my next vlog. And please like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Goodbye guys.